Hey everyone, it's John. And right now, a wild bird has flown on top of my head for some reason. I do not know. Right there, I was on my laptop, and he's literally sitting above my head. Could it be Chalky? I don't know. Maybe Chalky flew all the way to Los Angeles, and there's a bird on my head, and I thought I was imagining things. I was like, are you actually joking me? There's a wild bird on my Hello Kitty hat. This is mental. Look at him, he's just there. This is not edited. I know, it's too crazy. Anyway, he's right there. Mental. I was writing a song, and then just spread my hair. Cheers. Alright, he's got now.